Welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be looking at an industry that have the potential to make billions of dollars in Jamaica and why you might want to start a business in this burgeoning industry. Today we'll be looking at Jamaica's castor oil industry. So this is castor oil, and this is the plant that produces the castor beans from which the oil is pressed. The castor oil plant is widespread throughout tropical regions and it establishes itself easily, and so it can be found all over the island. Globally, approximately 800 million pounds of castor oil is produced annually for a variety of uses. Castor oil and its derivatives are used in the manufacturing of soaps, lubricants, brake fluid, paints, plastic, hydraulic fluids, waxes, and perfumes. Castor oil is also used in the food industry, where food-grade castor oil is used in food additives, flavorings, and as a mold inhibitor. Now, before we get any further, let's talk about safety when handling castor beans. Castor seed contains ricin, a toxic lectin. However, heating during the oil extraction process denatures and deactivates the lectin. When handling castor seeds, be reminded that they contain an allergenic compound which can affect people with hypersensitivity. Castor oil plant produces very light pollen, which can be easily inhaled into the lungs, triggering allergic reactions. According to the Guinness World Records, the castor oil plant is the world's most poisonous common plant, so be careful when handling castor oil seeds and plant. Okay, so let's get into why you click to watch this video, and that's because you want to know about the castor oil industry in Jamaica. It is said that the global castor oil and derivatives market size was estimated at $1.21 billion and is expected to increase. India is now the world's largest producer and exporter of castor oil, accounting for 80% of the global castor seed production, while the largest consumers and importers of castor oil are the United States, China, and Netherlands. As for Jamaica, we have a very special castor oil, the Jamaica Black Castor Oil, which is internationally known. But the problem with our castor oil industry is that we are just not producing enough to meet market demand, and the industry is relatively small, and we only supply less than 1% of the global castor oil market. The market for Jamaica Black Castor Oil is estimated to be approximately $100 million, but the amount we manage to export annually sits under $500,000. Hence, there exists huge opportunities for those looking to get into castor oil production. With the Jamaica Black Castor Oil being such a niche product and there being such low production locally, there have been many knockoff products on the market from different countries falsely labeling their castor oil product as Jamaica Black Castor Oil. However, there is a study being done on the Jamaica Black Castor bean at the University of the West Indies, Mona, under the leadership of Director of the Mona Institute of Applied Science, Dr. Howard Reed. Upon conclusion of the study, the findings will guide the process of securing the intellectual property rights of the Jamaica Black Castor Oil for the country. Now, you might be wondering, what is so special about Jamaica Black Castor Oil? Well, it's very useful when it comes to personal care, as it is used to create a wide variety of natural remedies for general health and well-being. It is used to promote respiratory health, enhance skin health, and it's most popularly known to improve hair health by moisturizing dry hair, strengthen thin hair, prevent breakage, and heal and prevent split ends. Jamaica Black Castor Oil differs from other castor oil due to the way it is processed. For normal commercial castor oil production, the castor beans are cold pressed, where the seeds are placed under tremendous pressure to release the oil. For Jamaica Black Castor Oil, the process to extract the oil starts with the castor bean being roasted, which creates its unique dark color and aroma. After roasting, the beans are then crushed and boiled to remove harmful ricin, which makes the oil safe for topical use on hair and skin. Currently, Jamaica castor oil industry comprises mainly of small farms and manufacturers that uses both the traditional and semi-mechanized methods for the Jamaica Black Castor Oil, while producers of cold-pressed castor oil uses the full mechanized technique. Because of the interest in Jamaica Black Castor Oil, a body was created to oversee its production called the Jamaica Castor Oil Industry Association (JCIA) in 2017, with the mission to create opportunities to ensure the protection, growth, and sustainable development of the Jamaica castor industry by driving standards and regulation through the implementation of strategies to benefit stakeholders in support of Jamaica's economic growth. Now, starting a business in the production of castor oil is very doable. But as with all businesses, there will be challenges. One such challenge is the low production of the raw material, which is the castor bean seed for extraction of the oil. Another challenge is the lack of mechanization, which causes cultivation, harvesting, and the processing of the castor bean to be very slow. In order to increase production of the Jamaica black castor oil and cash in on the $100 million market, we need to increase production of the castor oil bean by planting larger acreages of the castor plant and implement the use of modern mechanization in the cultivation, harvesting, and processing of the beans. With proper marketing and promotion of the Jamaica black castor oil, it has the potential to be more than a $100 million product. What do you think about the castor oil industry in Jamaica? And do you see yourself going into the castor oil industry to cash in on its $100 million market? Leave your comments below, and thanks for watching.